What's good with y'all niggas? Be back with another video and shit. We want to be talking about the 3 laws of power, you know what I'm saying? The analysis is good. This time we're going to be talking about fucking law number 7. Alright? Law number 7. Let's check what the book has to say about this. Law 7. It's learn it's about take credit for other people's work. Take it's like hire hire talent but take credit for their work. We always look. Yes, always have to understand that. Yeah, there's a saying that says, what is it? Yeah, experience is the best teacher, right? It's true, right? Yeah, we all know that this is true, right? But can you imagine, like, let's say someone that is like, you know, what I'm saying, the old heads, the old heads that have good knowledge are usually people who are like 40, 50 years. You know what I'm saying? So can you imagine spending 30 plus years on making mistakes, you know what I'm saying, wasting your energy, you know what I'm saying? Why do that? Why do that? Because you will want out yourself. You'll want yourself out. So why don't you just do what? Why don't you just do this? Take somebody else's talent and work, hire them to do that, and take the credit for it. Because let's be look. Because we have to understand, like for example, Thomas Edison wasn't a fucking scientist. He was a businessman at best, but then he took the credit for other people's inventions. I'm not sure about who the scientist that he had hired, but I know like you can look this up. You can look it up that Thomas Edison had people behind under him that will work you on these experiments. He was just the cash cow who was bringing in the money to fund these experiments. So you know what I'm saying? So like when they were saying, "Oh, Thomas Edison invented this and this and that," you know what I'm saying? Most of the time, he didn't do that. He was the driving force to lead into those discoveries, but he didn't discover them. He didn't invent them. It was the scientists behind them. Right now, listen. Of course, when you get caught attempting to take credit for others, it's always to cut a break because you know what I'm saying. Wait, hold on a sec. I you gotta understand that like the situation, like if someone catches you trying to take someone's credit, you know what I'm saying. You will get a bad reputation. You know what I'm saying. A very bad reputation, which is you know what I'm saying. Unless that's what you want, but if that's not what you want, you gotta be aware of the situation. You gotta be cunning about it. You know what I'm saying. Like I don't know, you can because with this one you can like get a contract in, make him sign the shit, then maybe do like a fine print that says credit is mine or some shit like that. I don't know, but you need to know that you need attempting to take care of people and get caught is very kind of counterproductive. Yes, all right. So here's what you do. For you can either do this, you either hire talented people to work for you, all right, or if you don't get that kind of money resources, you just gotta work off previous attempts from other people. But the key is, but the key is not to all the fucking work, right? Since you open yourself up, cause like look at me, I've went through so many burnouts when I was grind from scratch. But then I realized, why couldn't you just do this way? Why couldn't you do it like this? But then I did it like this, which is like why do it the long uphill way, or you can just do it the snowball effect way. All right. So guys, you gotta understand that that you need to think about your energy. Your energy is very important. But what we mostly have, what's very important for the humans is that it's time. You do not want to waste your time doing shit from scratch. Why do that? Do shit based off people's experiences. Look at people's experiences, see what they did wrong. Because you more than likely you will find ways that like maybe this was wrong, this was wrong. Then you're working off other people's past attempts, right? So all right, guys. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want next. Uh, check out the book I got on the Blueprint to Success. Just comment down below your email address and Blueprint Success. I'll send it to you. You know what I'm saying, within that day, if not that hour. And yeah, holla back at your boy. Shit.